Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought to us because it was having some issues with how it made coffee. It was leaking all over the place into the ground, into the coffee grounds, and it was not providing a good flow coming out through the spouts. That was because the O-ring that is located in the brew unit was cracked. It was not sealing properly, and also the brew valve, as you can see, is one of the O-rings was not 100% sealing there, and it was leaking water to the bottom as well. So we had to replace these parts that you see right here. We had to service the brew unit, deep clean it, re-lubricate it, put a new o-ring back, clean the shower screen, and we also descaled this machine, give it a nice little cleaning, clean the hopper too, and clean a little bit of around the water tanks as well. So yeah, that's all we did. So start with one shot of espresso. We're gonna be testing it out. I put it on the espresso range over here. I'm gonna lower this one too. We also clean the spouts. You can see steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent color and good crema. Looking great. Now we're gonna be testing the steamer. As you can see, excellent flow coming out of the one. We're missing the deep generator here, the cover that goes in here, but the steamer itself is providing great steam, excellent temperature, really great pressure, looking excellent. So there you have it, Saeco working once again and ready to go. Thank you so much for repairing me Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.